It's not a planet. So when you say, what's the difference between a place? When Krishna says in Gita, I don't know where, 14th chapter or something, 5 factors of action. The karta, the cheshta, the karta, the what was it, indriya, karta, cheshta, daiva, and kshetra. These are the 5 factors of daiva. Means the devatas. Karanam guna sangha saras. No, it's a sarasajani jamas. Karanam guna sangha. No, there's jantar eva. Deho papatya. There's one verse that says that one takes his birth by the arrangement of the devatas and Paramatma. Paramatma has the software of the prabdha karma, and the devatas give the different types of places and bodies and different bhagyas and things that go with your karma. Dehantra, what is that? No, oh yeah, karmana devanetraina jantar deho papatiye.